All right, everyone. Welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is my full review of the genuine leather band that I picked up for my Apple Watch SE first generation. Now, I'm recording this video a few days early because upon doing some testing, I found out some things that I really like about this watch, and I found out some things that I really don't like about this watch, and I pretty much was able to gather up all of my thoughts and opinions early, so I figured why not record the full review early. So today what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to go over the positives and the negatives of this genuine leather watch band that I picked up for the Apple Watch SE. Then I'm going to share with y'all my overall final thoughts and make an overall recommendation as to whether or not I think this watch band for your Apple Watch is worth picking up. So without further ado, let me do some quick housekeeping and we'll dive into today's video. So today's video is being recorded with the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. Today's video is being recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up, okay? All the links to everything that I talk about and feature in today's video will be available down below in the video description. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Down below in the video description will also contain affiliated by links. And as the name implies, if you guys and gals decide to make your purchase using those affiliated by links, I do get a small percentage of commission or kickback that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. Also, if you guys and gals would like to see any more of my extended Apple Watch SE first generation coverage, I'll also link up my extended coverage on the Apple Watch SE down below in the video description as well. So the video description will truly be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. All right, housekeeping done, let's get into today's video. So starting off here, let's talk about the overall positives of this watch band for the Apple Watch SE. Positive number one, I have to say the overall look of this watch band is really, really good. This almost makes the Apple Watch SE look like a regular or almost regular timepiece or watch, okay? So the overall look of this watch band is top notch in my opinion. Positive number two, the overall comfort level of this watch band is top notch in my opinion. This is extremely comfortable to wear for extended periods of time. I had no issue sleeping with this on, none of that. So the overall comfort level of this watch band is top notch in my opinion. And then positive number three, this watch band is available at a really great price in multiple different colors. We're going to talk about the pricing and overall availability in a little bit here. Okay, so that goes over all of the positives in my opinion. Now, let's move on and dive into the negatives. And for me, there were two major negatives that I ran across with this watch band. Negative number one is right here. With regular usage, I don't know if my mics can pick it up, but with regular usage, there is a lot of creaking right here in the main mechanism that attaches to the main unit of the Apple Watch. There's a lot of creaking. I feel as though the build quality on here, is not the best. I feel like this might break easily over time, and it's not just on this one side, but it's also on this other side as well. So the overall build quality of this watch band definitely does need some improvements in my opinion. And also to go along with that, I feel like they should have added like a padded section, because when I was slotting it into the Apple Watch, it almost felt like it was rubbing uncomfortably. Like you guys and gals ever had or experienced the cringe that you get when two things make contact and it really irks you. Like some people don't like it when certain metals or materials touch. It kind of gives you that, ugh, you know. When I was sliding the portions together, I kind of got that feeling, like that grinding feeling, that ugh. So I kind of wish that they added like some padding here to help it slot in easier. Okay, so again, the overall build quality on here is top notch. Well, the overall design on here is top notch, but the overall build quality does need some improvements. Okay, that's like a build quality issue in my opinion. So that was negative number 2. All right, negative number 1, or 1 and 2. Negative number 3, the clasping mechanism. Now, I understand that this is leather, guys and gals, but the clasping mechanism on here, ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. All right? It is really hard to unclasp. Now, it's really hard to clasp, but it's even harder to unclasp. So I understand it's leather and leather patinas, and it breaks in over time, but I'm really straining here. Look, and I finally got it out. Like, y'all saw my thumb and wrist flexing. Why is it that hard to unclasp? Right? So I kind of wish that was a little bit easier to undo and redo, because as I've said, I don't wear this Apple Watch all the time. Particularly, I take it off in the mornings when I'm getting in the shower. I don't shower with this on. And then also, another issue that I had here is for workouts. Leather material is not the best for workouts, right? Like I found that if I exercise with this on, it kind of, all the sweat collects here, and then it starts to make my wrist itchy, and then I gotta take off the Apple Watch even more, because then I gotta go wash and dry my wrist properly. Okay, so I kind of wish that that clasping mechanism was a little bit easier to clasp and unclasp, because of this type of material. It's not the type of material that you can work out in. Well, technically you can, but at least for me, I have very sensitive skin, and working out in it has actually started to irritate my skin a little bit. So that's another negative that I came across. Now, this would have been alleviated if they would have added like some soft touch breathable material on the inside of the watch band, right? And then made the outside of the watch band a leather material, right? Because this way, the part that touches your skin will be breathable and, you know, good for sensitive skin, but you'll still have that leather look on the outside. So I kind of wish that the clasp was better, and I kind of wish that they incorporated some more breathable materials instead of an all leather material, you know, just for the times when you want to wear it for regular usage things, like exercising, okay? But that being said, as I said in the unboxing, guys and gals, this was not the type of watch band that I was going to be wearing every day. This type of watch band is more for, you know, formal activities, all right? So I understood that that may have potentially been a negative moving forward, but my concerns were proved to be positive, right? But that goes over all the negatives that I've experienced with this watch band, and that goes over all the positives that I've experienced with this watch band. And as always, I'll throw my list of positives and negatives up in post, okay? And keep in mind that this is just in my experience based on my opinion, all right? So everybody's opinions are different, and everybody is entitled to their own opinion. And that being said, if you guys and gals pick up this watch band for your Apple Watch and you experience a positive or a negative that I did not mention in this video, please leave that feedback down below in the comments. Only through providing our feedback can we get overall improvements on the products that we spend our hard-earned money on. Okay? Okay. So that goes over the positives and negatives. Now let's get into the final part of this review. Let's talk pricing. Let's talk overall availability. Let me get into sharing my final thoughts and making overall recommendations. All right. So in terms of the pricing and availability, now in the interest of full disclosure, I have to let everyone know, as I did in the unboxing and first impressions and installation video, this was another product that came into the channel thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. So what does that mean? This was another product that came into the channel free of charge, and all I had to do was use the product and write up a full written review on the product to be published on Amazon, and then the product is mine to keep. But as always, that in no way, shape, form, or fashion influences my overall opinions. I reserve the right to keep it straight 100 around here. Okay? But that being said, that does mean that I got this completely free of charge, but I still did do my due diligence, and I scoured the internet and I found the current pricing and availability for these bands. Also, I found the different color options for these bands as well, and that's what we're going to get ready to go over now. So in terms of color options, this is the black on black leatherweight, okay? And this particular color is available for $18.99. So basically, if you want to make it easy, you just round it to the nearest dollar. So $18.99, you can call that $19, right? And that's the color y'all see here, the black on black leather, right? Then other than that, the other color options include brown and titanium. So it's kind of like a woven brown leather with a titanium buckle. I think that one looks really good. And that one is also available for $18.99. So I think all of these are available for $18.99. Let me just double check. $18.99, $18.99. Oh, $17.99 for this one. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 color options, and 3 of those color options are available for $18.99 or $19. And then the last color option is available for $17 or $16.99. All right. But this first color option, as I said, is the black on black leather. Then we have the brown and titanium. And I got to say, this brown and titanium looks extremely classy. All right. Then we have a green and black. I'm not so much a fan of the green and black. It kind of looks like a bright snakeskin green. And then black trim, not a fan of that, not at all. And then the last color option is the retro brown and titanium. And I gotta say that retro brown and titanium looks great. I actually think if I had to choose, I would want the retro brown and titanium, the regular brown and titanium, and then the black leather, the black on black leather. I would probably stay away from the green and black. I don't like how that green and black looks. But those are the color options. Those are the current prices, right? Now, as of the recording of this video, which is July 20th, it is actually on sale with a 30% off coupon on all colors and all sizes, right? So 30% off for the coupon means it gets even cheaper. So I'm going to try and get this video out as fast as possible. That being said, this particular band is available for all variants and versions of the Apple Watch. So it's not just available for the Apple Watch SE first generation here, but it's available for the second generation. It's available for the Apple Watch Ultra first and second generation. And it's available for the original Apple Watch series versions 9 to version 1. So this is actually available for all versions of the Apple Watch and all the sizes. So you have the 42 millimeter, the 44 millimeter, the 45 millimeter, and the 49 millimeter. And then you also have the 38 millimeter, the 40 millimeter, and the 41 millimeter. So it's available for all Apple Watches at all sizes. And And if I'm being 100% honest with you guys and gals, for the price and what this band offers, can I recommend that you guys and gals pick it up? I would have to say yes, yes indeed. As I said, this is basically a formal watch band, and for formal activities, this has actually worked great. The only issue that I had, aside from the build quality issue, was with regular daily activities, in particular like exercise. This type of band doesn't work well for exercising. But other than that, as long as you guys and gals know what you picked up this style of band for, I can easily recommend that you guys and gals go out there and pick it up if you're in the market for watch bands for any of your Apple Watches. So once again, can I recommend that you guys and gals pick this one up? I would have to say yes, yes indeed. Alright, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, you guys and gals know what to do. Please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. As always, if you'd like to see more content like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when new videos go live on the channel. Hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. And I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace. Alright. One last bunch of bands are coming in for the Apple Watch SE, and then we can hunker down and just focus on putting together the full review for the Apple Watch SE first generation. So you guys and gals will see one more set of band videos, and then we'll be on to the full review of the Apple Watch SE. So I hope you guys and gals stay tuned. I hope everyone is enjoying the coverage, and I will catch everyone in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace.